Okay, so custom audiences, you may have heard this term thrown around. It's basically, it's a list of people, okay? It's built based on the tracking pixel, and we can use these audiences and create these audiences, create and use them to do a lot of different things. So why does it matter? Well, it allows us to create a list of people. So think of the two most important ones. People who added to cart, that's one. Okay, we can also do people who viewed the page, but I kind of covered that already with retargeting. So added to cart, that's one. People who bought, super important. This is your buyers list. This is people who bought your product. So it's a very powerful list to have because number one, it allows us to create lookalikes, which I'll cover. That expands even more with our ad campaign. So we can take all the different methods, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and we can create lookalike audiences and then run those methods with the lookalike audiences. And we can even do this, exclude buyers. So why show your ad to people if they already bought, right? That's how powerful these things are. So let's see how to do this with the audience tab in our account and with the setup that we've already put into the account for the pixels. Okay, I'll show you exactly what to do.